Today I share with you 3 common types of writing errors. Master these and you'll present yourself as a polished writer. I'm Pat Iyer. I'm an author, an editor, and a ghostwriter. First, let's look at incomplete sentences. This is incorrect. We went to the store, period, and then to the bank. This is correct. We went to the store and then to the bank. Are you yelling foul? I read incomplete sentences all the time in things that I read. I read a book the other day by a famous novelist and he used incomplete sentences all over the place. You're right. When you're a famous novelist of any kind or any type of famous author, you can do this sparingly. Until then, don't. The one exception might be to give extra emphasis to something. He loaded the new program into the computer, period. Disaster, period. Here's the second kind of error, using confusing pronoun references. It's incorrect to say, when Marie finally understood what Jane was doing, she was so relieved. Who was relieved, Jane or Marie? You don't want to write, when Marie finally understood what Jane was saying, Marie or Jane was so relieved. You need to rewrite the sentence. You could say instead, Marie was so relieved when she finally understood what Jane was saying. Ready for the third error? It's sentences that go on forever. You've read them. This is, for example, an incorrect one. When I think about grammar, I get so confused because there's so many rules, and I often feel like I don't understand them. And sometimes I want to crawl in bed and forget the whole thing, and what I usually do is watch TV. All the commas are in the right places in that sentence, and it has no other grammatical errors. But the reader may experience fatigue reading something in which each phrase has equal weight. What should the reader then try to say? Some people talk to hear themselves speak, and other people write to get hypnotized by the many words on the page. Break the trance, and while you're at it, break a long sentence into shorter ones. Eliminate repetitious statements. For example, it's correct to say, the many rules of grammar confuse me so much that sometimes I can hardly bear to study them. Instead of learning the rules, I watch TV. Head over to patiyer.com for more great writing tips.